In today's digital world, AI video enhancers boost resolution, reduce noise, sharpen clarity, making it easier to create stunning content and deliver an incredible viewing experience. It's true that some enhancers are better than others, some are simple to use, and some are complex, letting you tweak the result. But there is one that gives you the best of both worlds, easy to use with professional results. Go from this to this, this to this, this to this, all with just one button push. And the app is AnyEnhancer. And at the end of this video, I'll give you a passcode for a 20% discount on your purchase of AnyEnhancer. I'll show you in this video not only how to use AnyEnhancer, but also the best way to get good results. Let me show you how simple the process is. Choose or drag an image into the window. There are 4 fully automatic functions to pick from. Resolution enhancement, and that's up to 2K or even 4K. Denoise restores details. Face restoration, well, you're just going to be blown away by this. Intelligent enhancement is the best of all because its workflow includes both the enhancement and the facial recognition. And don't forget about colorize. It not only colors black and white images, but brings brilliant colors to those washed out VHS videos. I'll show you how to use the models with the colorize function first. Select the frame in the video that you want to sample. You'll get 3 seconds in the sample preview. Click colorize, click preview. And here's the 3-second preview. So it's fast. Now I'll use another VHS video to show you the face restoration. To get a new file for processing, click the Replace Files button. Choose the new file. I've used a 1982 VHS clip of a car rally, so this is an older, fairly soft video. Move the playhead and the timeline to the section you want to work on. I've selected this close-up of 2 almost unrecognizable faces. Click the Face Restoration button and click Preview, and the initial result is almost instant. Now that's impressive, and it's only a short time to wait for the processing to show you those 3 seconds. So it's best to work on small sections, and you can trim a section by selecting the scissors. Now, it doesn't matter where the playhead is, you get the whole video in this window. Just drag the yellow ends to create a selection to work on. Let's explore the face restoration with a simple out of focus video on a 1920 1080 video. Well, again, that's impressive. I'll have lots of use for this. So let's take this a little further. It's a 1920 by 1080 image. Why not boost it to 4K as well as facial restoration with the intelligent enhancement model? So with the intelligent model, the facial recognition enhancement is just as good, plus you get the enhanced video. And if you want to stop the preview, just click the Exit Preview button. Let me zoom into the enhanced image. And now the original. I'll export that and see how the original compares with the 4K. Click the Export button and nominate where you want it saved. Next, I'll show you the denoise function. This wedding video dancing scene was filmed in very low light, and the camera was just noisy, and the footage is pretty well unusable. So I'll zoom into the original, and you can see the noise on the back of this black jacket. If I select the denoise function and then preview, Here's the denoise version and the same black jacket. And then again, let's look at the original and you can see the noise there. I wish I'd had this facility when I was filming weddings. Finally, I'll show you the colorize function with this black and white image of a hand and a mobile phone. Overall, what do I think of AnyEnhancer? I'm very impressed. And let's just review what comes with AnyEnhancer. 100% automatic AI processing for very easy use. You get upscale of videos to 2K and to 4K. You can restore the details of a human face. The denoise function precisely eliminates noises. 2 and 4 times frame interpolation for smoother workflow. And there's almost instant preview. And behind the scenes, to speed up the rendering, the software uses a GPU acceleration for faster performance. AnyEnhancer is available for a free trial, and don't forget the 20% discount. The link's in the description below, and this is your discount code. Thanks for watching.